Okay, so we're gonna film the street. It's called Via Pignasecca, mispronunciation, but we're gonna walk all the way down this way, give you a little bit of a reference. We're kind of in this cool little plaza right here. We got fruit in one stand, all kinds of stuff, every direction. And we're gonna go around directly down this way. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're exploring Naples, and we're just kind of checking out everything and seeing what's around. We got a lot of football, for one. And we're just kind of checking everything out, so we're gonna see what's all here. And it's a little bit evening time, but we got some beautiful streets. Just gonna check them all out, put on some Italian music for you, and enjoy. Got some fish over here. Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like we changed now. Oh no, it's Pignasecca, so it's still the same. Got some pigeons up there. Got pigeons up there. And we're just gonna walk down the street and just kind of check everything out. It's pretty lively. People are very vocal. It's actually probably one of the most interesting places I've been, probably. And I've been to a lot of places, but pizza. Let's see. Napoleon champion, Napoli champion. Okay, let's just kind of do a 360 here. Actually, this street looks kind of cool too. So actually that building right there looks amazing. Shoes. Let's see. Actually that place looks pretty interesting too. Got breads and pastas. Come back out to Toledo. Here we go. Pretty cool. So now we're back out at our main street again. Via Toledo, it's called. We'll just come back and then we're gonna come to an ending spot here. So that was our little Target street. So kind of short, but at least it kind of gives you another taste of Italy. All these little streets like this. All right, so we're gonna end it right there. Pretty cool. Then we have all the souvenirs as well.
Non vengono così, grazie, non devono tirare, ma come fanno a pigliare su? Buonasera Tindoli, è Tindoli, ma qui dalla Spagna, Tindoli,